Sure, abuti honestly.
I just want to tell you guys that, Youth Day it's a day where young people were shot dead in Soweto. But immediately after that, young people were shot dead everywhere, not only in Soweto, but it started in Soweto. But that riots then went to all the areas, not only in Soweto. It went to all the colored communities across the country. It went to black schools, colored schools, Indian schools. So South Africa has been blessed with very good youth leaders. I was speaking today about a guy called Solomon Mahlangu. Solomon Mahlangu was a young man, a youth, that was hanged by the apartheid regime. And before they hanged Solomon Mahlangu said, "My blood shall water the trees of freedom for the youth of the future," which is us, which is you, which is the ones before us, everybody that came after Solomon Mahlangu. Imagine facing the gallows. The gallows is like when they hang you. Imagine facing death and the last thought you have is about your people. People that you love. You're like, go tell my people that my blood will nourish the trees of their freedom. That was Solomon Mahlangu for you. Anton Franz, he was renting a house. He was staying by some people in Etlung, yeah. Good people in Etlung. And when the cops came for him, Anton Franz, when the cops came for him, he said he'll give himself over if those people can vacate the house. He wanted them to be safe. And when they were safe, he said to the cops, "Tell her what you must. Ik paisani." And they start shooting. And they shot. He killed so many cops which they are scared to admit. They called him backup after backup. And he said, "Anton Franz, kom uit asseblief." And all he said is, "Go haal my. Go haal my. Go haal my." We have many heroes even in our community. Ashley Kriel, Action Commandant. That's what they used to call him, Action Commandant. Ashley Kriel, fiery leaders. So it was Frantz Fanon that said, every youth should find a generational mission. Now look around you in the PA. You have youth in position. You have Jasmine in Parliament. You have Linky, Leify. These are young people in council. You have Kabelon them in council. Look around you. PAs bring up a lot of new age leaders. They say Gayton is a dictator. I can't wait for me to step down as the leader so that we are bringing up leaders so that when my time comes to step down, I must give somebody else a chance to lead the party better than what I led the party. But PA's got a lot of leaders that we're keeping our eye on them. Go back to school. Go and get another degree. We tell them, do this, do this, do this, do this. All the young people, we say, you better go to school. It's a reason why we are telling you that. Because we see a future for you in the PA. A good leader must create other leaders. Look at how a good leader on Biza turned out. Jasmine couldn't say 2 sentences when she went to Parliament. And some of you are saying, yeah, why did you say such a... Today, I was sitting in cabinet and Minister Pemi Majodini said to me, wow, your member was on fire yesterday. I was sitting in the plane and the ANC guy said to me, your Umbiza was on fire. Myself and Marlon were supposed to speak that day, and I said, no, Marlon is not speaking, I'm not speaking, Umbiza is going to speak. We want to create young leaders. You know, today I'm going to post that picture now. Or Michelle, please post that picture, DSG. You know, today Michelle took a picture. I was standing there being interviewed. And at the back of the picture was 2 PA leaders, women. I felt so proud. So you look at people like Mary and them, solid leaders. SG couldn't even, she couldn't even speak in front of a crowd when she came to PA. There's a lot of political leaders. It's just a pity she doesn't see a future into politics. She doesn't want a future in politics. But these are leaders that we have built. People have dreams. The SG wants to start a school and help children that are struggling. There's some people that say, no, I want to go into business. There's some people that say, no, I want to do this. But it's all to help our people. People like Leo and them. It's people that we're bringing up. Sometimes you'll think nobody sees you in the PA. You look at Bailey. She's always with Woza. Always helping PA. That's a leader. But you think we don't see you. We see all of you. We discuss you. We say, you know, one day Ting was asking me, I just smiled. Press, do you know my name? Umpai. I just smiled. I was like, this way doesn't even know we discuss him. We are building leaders, but because some of you are impatient. You know, you look at people like Elton Zakay, they're always willing to help. But you see, let me tell you something today. The most dangerous thing is to become a king without having been a shepherd. Your skapwagter era is your most important. Being a shepherd is your most, because it is dangerous. Because you miss the oil. If you go straight from a jack to a king, excuse me, you miss your oil era. The shepherd era, at the end of your shepherd era is your oil era. And with your oil era, you are going into your kingdom era. We have very good leaders we are training. Devaney and them. These are people, Cleo and them. We're bringing people up. You've got good people. Good people. But don't be like those ones what net gesien wil wees. Thanu was showing me a leader that they delete their PA pictures after we removed them from positions. Those people would never PA. They like the attention that PA brings them. Because PA is not, it's in your DNA, man. Now, PA is in your DNA. Imagine you say you love PA. And then, Rag's a motivational speaker. We know what we're doing. Some, they try to manipulate our processes here in PA. They want to tell us what to do in the PA. We think you should do this. We think we're like, who are you? Do you think we've built this party because you come here thinking you're smart? I think you mustn't do this. I think you mustn't remove. Who are you in the PA to come and tell us, the leadership of the PA, that is seized, that live, eat, breathe, suffers for this thing? Jy kom gistermiddag hier, then will tell us how we're doing stuff wrong here. How did we get national representation? How did we get local representation? How did we get, did you help us? We pray before we take big decisions as this NEC. Some of you come here, you think you the business. There is no Mr. or Mrs. P. as jy loop. Sal ek, ons het mense gesien kom, ons het gesien mense gaan. Die PA staan nog steeds. Because it was built, was hard work and prayer. I want you, PA is going through changes. You know, as a person we want to take to Gauteng, we ask her to resign today from a job. She's been like, really? Are you sure, Press? I can wait for my turn, Press. Look at people who've been working with a PA saying they can wait. He said, no, this is an instruction, it's not a ask. But it's not people that I have to have that position. Because I'm so educated about where I'm working, I'm lowly. But where there's a big position for me. People are patient. You know, Mr. Whitaker, that passed on, that he buried, his wife told me something I'll never forget. His wife said, he said, and his children told me, he said, yo, those words, I'm going to live by those words. Julle moet nie hastig is, hier kom groot dinge. Yo, when his wife told me that, it hit me here. It hit me here. That man says, some of the people are trying to manipulate us leaders. A man like me, I grew up in jail. I come from the street. I have built my wealth very hard. Dan kom jy om vir my te wil draai. No, Press, this is the best for the party. No, that's the best for you. I die for this party. Majority of the people that has no jobs, they died for this party. For some of you, this is just a show party. Oh, look at me. I'm in every picture. I don't really work. Yeah, I know, I'm not there at the by-elections. But yeah, posting I'm #1. And even if I come to the by-elections, I cannot show you how many people we signed up. Ek dank die Here vir die nuwe system. The new system can tell us exactly how many people you've signed up. We are tired of people using the PA as a stepping stone. Looking down on other people. You must understand this party. Some of you, I'm telling you, I was shocked when somebody showed me a certain person. Say, look, they delete all the PA pictures. But hulle sê hulle was PA. Die Here het ons gehelp ons het hulle geremove. You know, I saw a person saying, a PA person. I told the SG to deal with that matter. Then Kimberly. A person that getting paid by the PA, saying to another PA, somebody wrote, julle is false. Julle is nou so teen die vriendelike van Liam, so geskel. En die week is het so Liam. Then a PA person comes out and say, the gospel truth. A PA person agreeing with people that insulting PA people. Julle see PA's, ek het gesê hulle moet daar remove. You can't, you know, let me tell you, a PA person, we all spoke nonsense about Liam, including me, because he spoke nonsense about us. But when the leader of the party said, enough, let's change, because you are disciplined with it. Now you must come and tell people they spoke nonsense. They will mense impressment, PA people. Some of you, you just PA when you're with us. When you're not with us, you are with our enemies. And when our enemies attack, you're like, that one deserves it, that one deserves it, that one deserves it. Somebody went for an interview. A PA person went for an interview. Somebody was sending us the marks that another PA person was scoring that person. Yo, I couldn't believe it. Somebody says, listen, this person goes and looks for a job. The job interview there, whatever this company is called. The PA person that is sitting on that thing was scoring that person the lowest. But the other people there say, this person is so good because She doesn't like that person. We got a copy of the scoring. The company that they scored at. The person said, how could, I thought you guys, so some of the people, and I want to warn PA people, watch who you put on your CV as the person that they should call as a reference. Some of you, you are putting your frenemy as a reference. You are a friend to this person is your enemy. When they call, that's why you can't get a job. Stop smiling sometimes you are friends with your biggest enemy. Because you are on this person's name, you put this person's name down, they call this person, that's why you can't get a job. Because that is the same person that says, do you want the truth? Don't hire her. Don't hire him. You know, I hate to lie. It's okay. You don't know the mense praat lelike goedes van jou. Because they know their job is going to make them overtake. It's going to make them overtake you. It's going to make you overtake them, sorry. So you sometimes think people are your friends, but they are enemies. We understand this thing of the PA. Some of you, you are dik in met die ANC. Dik! Jy word eintlik comrade genoem. You know what happened today? Let me tell you what happened today to show you. See, ek paisani when it comes to PA. To show you, ek paisani. Ek is dik van julle wat PA mense swak maak. You know, if you are true PA, you must warn a PA member in private there and then praise them in public. When people spoke nonsense about Liam, it was right. I supported him. But the PA attack, die maak ons mal. Slange moet ons los. Julle moet gaan. Julle is lang al dik van die PA. Dis nie die geld van die PA wat vir julle jou. Somebody was saying, oh, the money in PA, the money that came in from the legislature is being used for this. Decoins. We've just paid 50 million rands for Nelson Mandela Bay. You come sales from 750,000. That you don't know what we do with the PA. Nelson Mandela Bay cost 50 million. Comparative, oh, the 750,000 ingekom, it was just removed and paid for that person. What? Play it net still as a belief. Jy weet nie van wat jy praat nie. The Patriotic Alliance is a family. All of us are family. But you cannot come here and mense swak te maak van die PA because you want to impress people of the ANC. Hulle moet ons los. Hulle moet gaan. Julle toer. Ons is dik van julle. This party, nobody looks down on nobody. Let me tell you what happened today to show you ek paisani. Protocol dictates, show my heart. Protocol dictates all ministers must get before the president to a place or the deputy president. That's what protocol dictates. When we were inducted, we were told, you must, if the president arrives in Russia on Friday, I must be there Thursday. When he jumps out of his car, I have to be there. I want to tell you one story happened today. So this morning I was with the deputy president. I was there early before him. And I waited for the deputy president. So when the deputy president came, we went to the briefing. And I thanked the principal, Ms. Ferris, of that school, Promosa High, in front of the deputy president. So from there, we had to go and open the combi courts. On my way there, I was walking next to the deputy president. Sure. I saw people were there, VIPs, everybody. And the community members, the PA members were screaming for me, press. Hulle wil nie ons moet inkom nie. Press, they locked the gates. Yo, my heart. Daar staan onze mense met hulle groen t-shirts 300 meters far. They are outside. They woke up early. They want to come and see, but they are not allowed in because they're not VIPs. As I'm walking to, I'm like, oh my word, what am I going to do now? Because the program is about to start. In that moment, I said, ek kan nie maar weer sag ook vandag. Ek gaan die eerste in die tent. Terwyl my mense buite staan in Promosa. I said, Mela, wat gaan hier aan? No, the presidential security team and this security team and this security, this doesn't allow the people. Ek sê, vir wat nie? Ek sê, nooit. I went to the head of the police. Ek sê, my mense moet nou inkom. Gaan maak hulle die hekke oop. Die ding sal nie gebeur hier. Jy ken nie my mense nie. Maar my mense moet inkom. Die program started there. I heard them saying, where's Minister McKenzie? Ek het nie eens geworry nie. Ek sê, my mense, ek sê, Mela, julle gaat nou die mense gaat al. Sir, open up. He says, no, I'll open, Minister. This is who I am. Ek het nie geworry van protocolie. Ek het nie geworry van wat ek weggesag nie. I didn't care about what, but my heart couldn't allow me to go and sit in that VIP tent while the patriots were standing outside by the gate and they being stopped from coming in. Ek sal hele ding gemors het. Ek sal sê, ek gaan nie daar nie. Ek gaan staan my mense daar buite kan. Ek sal sien wie so gepraat het. That is what you mean to me. And that is what we should mean to each other. That is what we should mean to each other. Julle moet mekaar lief het. You must be there for each other. You must stand for each other. Do you know how many times I fight with the DP about our own business? And you know how many times the DP fights with me? But you'll never see him posting here, Press did this or DP did this. You must go. You see, Liam, I respect him for one thing. He went where his heart was. Julle moet vir Liam volg. Gaan waar julle harte is. Julle harte is hier met ons. Los vir ons af. Your hearts are not with us. I needed to get that off my chest. Because I see some of you here. You think we don't see you. Maar julle gaat julle vastloop. Die is die Patriotic Alliance. Ons ken van julle. We know. You think for us. He's playing. So Patriots.
Nothing. Sure, I would be honest.